Welcome to the Making Study Circle channel. In this video, we shall see how to create a 3D part for the part diagram that is shown here and also generate its orthographic projection using the draft of the Solid Edge 2023. So before we create the 3D part, let us try to read the part that is given to us. So initially, you can see that the observer is going to look at the object in this direction. So for him, it will be appearing as a rectangle of length 80 mm with a height equal to 18 mm, and then the depth of the part will be equal to 54. So on the front view, you will be able to see this profile. On this profile, you will be able to see this rectangle with a semicircle on it, correct? And which is having a through hole of diameter 26 and also this cutout of 40 cross 10. So this will be the front view. On the top view, you will be able to see the entire rectangle with a rectangular block of this particular protrusion. In the left side view, you will be able to see this rectangle, and this rectangle, also this semicircle will appear as one more rectangle from this end, correct? So this is the part uh, diagram which we are going to use to generate the 3D model. So we'll begin with selecting the front plane and drawing the select the front plane, select the line option. So let me draw a line of 18 mm, which is the height of the part, and then it is a rectangle of length 80 mm. Then complete the profile 20, height of 10. Let me take the cutout also in this sketch itself 40, 10, and complete the profile. Select this profile and do the extrusion to a depth of 54 as given in the figure. So this is the front view of the object. Now let me select the top view. Okay, so in the top view, first let me create a rectangle of width 50 mm and length 50 and width 20. Okay, and that 20 mm should be exactly at the midpoint, that is 17 mm from here, 17 mm from here, which is equal to 34, and then 20 makes it 54. So for that purpose, let me just take up the profile from the midpoint. So for this construction purpose, let me draw the plane. So I've just drawn the reference lines from the midpoints of the two edges. So now from here, let me draw a line of length 25, correct? And here a line of length 10 mm. Then complete line of width 50, 20, 50. So now let me select the trim option, trim this line so that I can complete the profile. This line, so let me close the profile by drawing a line of length 20 mm, correct? So now let me select this rectangle and do the extrusion to a depth of, height of 30 mm. This is the top view. So this is the front view. So now I need to have a semicircle on this rectangle. So for that, let me select the circle option, select the midpoint and draw a circle of diameter 50 mm, and then draw the horizontal diameter so that I can trim the midpoint of the second half of the circle. So select the trim option and trim this lower half of the circle. Select the semicircle now and extrude this semicircle to a depth of 20 mm. You can see this. This is how the part is going to look. But however, we have got a through hole So to place that through hole, first place your cursor on the semicircle. You get the center point of the semicircle. So draw a concentric circle of diameter 26 mm. Select this circle and tell it is a through hole in this direction. Correct? The hole is generated. So this completes the creation of the part. So this is the part modeling. So this is the front view, this is the top view, and this is the left side view of the part in the right profile plane. So now let us save this part file to generate its orthographic projections. Go to the new option, select new isometric draft, modify the sheet properties, right click on sheet 1, select A4, untick show background, click on save defaults, click OK, fit the sheet to the screen. So in the home window, select the view wizard and select the part that you have created. Ensure this scale is 1:1. So this is the front view, corresponding top view, and the left side view in the right profile plane. This is the isometric view, which is not required to us. So come to the sketching window, select the line option, draw the XY line and the X1, Y1 lines by selecting a line of thickness 0.13 mm. So from the point of intersection, draw a 45-degree line. So let me fix the side view first by drawing the horizontal projectors from the top view and then matching it with the horizontal projectors from the front view. So select the side view, select the move option, ensure the copy is off, select the extreme bottom left corner of the profile and place it on the end point of the projector. So this adjusts the side view. Select the line option, complete the side view. So this dotted line indicates it is the hidden features. So this is a cutout in the rectangle and this is a through hole in the semicircular region. So this dotted line indicates that they are the cutouts. So this edge will not be visible, so it is dotted line in the top view, and this will be visible, so it is a thick line. And again, the circle is a through hole, so that is dotted line here. So this completes the steps to create the orthographic projection. Right click on the properties, select black color, click OK, and indicate the directions of the projector lines. Go to the smart dimension, show the important dimensions, which is having a height of 30 and this diameter is equal to 26 and this total length will be equal to 18 and this is having a height of 18 mm. This width is equal to 40 and this height is equal to 10 mm, correct? So these are the important dimensions. Then show the width of the object, which is equal to 54. The total length is 80. It can be shown either in the front view or in the top view. So this is again 54. In the side view, we get to see the width of the object and then the thickness of the object, which is equal to 18, the bottom half, and this total height will be equal to 55. including the semicircular region. Okay, and then here the symmetry must be shown. That means what? It is exactly in the mid plane. So for that, what I'll do is, let me select these two edges and show it is at a distance of 17. That is half of uh, 30, because this is 20, the remaining part is 34. So 34 divided by 2 is 17. So 17 on both the ends, correct? This and this will be equal to 17, and this is equal to 20. Height of 30, 20, and this will be having a radii of 25. Even if you're not showing, this is understood because this is a semicircle which is having a diameter exactly equal to the width of this rectangle. So the diameter will be equal to 50 mm. So no need to show this again as a radii of 25 mm. Okay. So with this, we complete the creation of the orthographic projection of the part that was modeled here. So this is the 3D model, and this is the orthographic projection of the model. So go to the annotation, change the font style to Times New Roman, and label the axis. So this is X axis, XY plane, and this is the X1, Y1 plane, X1, Y1. And the angle, select the angle option, measure the angle between the